Anyone can create a basic Ghibli-style video, but a professional result requires a specific blueprint. First, start with a powerful story idea. Then, prioritize character and environment consistency to keep the world believable. The next step is generating your story sequence images and converting them into cinematic video clips. Beyond the technicals like titles and thumbnails, the real magic lies in the tranquility. It's the soundscapes that melt away stress and give these videos their true identity. First, open a new chat in ChatGPT. Copy the master prompt provided in the description and paste it directly into the prompt box. You can see the full logic of the prompt right here. Now hit enter. Step 1. ChatGPT has generated 10 unique Ghibli-style story ideas. Review them and simply type the number of the one you like. For example, I prefer the 5th one, so I'll just type 5 and hit enter. Step 2. Now ChatGPT provides the character and location reference prompts. Here's the first character prompt, the second, the third, and finally the location prompt. Now open a new tab and search for Whisk. Click the first link and enter the tool. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first character prompt and paste it into the Whisk prompt box. Make sure to lock the seed, select your aspect ratio, and click Generate. Whisk AI will now start generating your image. Repeat this for the second and third characters. Copy from ChatGPT, paste into Whisk, and hit Generate. Once all your characters are ready, download the ones you like best. Next, click the Add Image icon. Into the Subjects section on the left, drag and drop all your character images. Finally, go back to ChatGPT one last time, copy the location prompt, and paste it into the Style section. Just like that, your background location is added and synced. Now, head back to ChatGPT and type yes to generate all the story scene image prompts. ChatGPT will now create 20 sequential image prompts of all scenes for your entire story. Copy the first prompt and paste it into Whisk AI. Once it's done generating, download the image that looks the best. Repeat the process. Copy the second prompt, paste it into Whisk, and hit Generate. Then do the same for the third and fourth prompts. To save time, I've already gone ahead and generated the first 10 scene images for this demo. After you've generated all your images, go back to the same chat in ChatGPT and type yes once more. This time, ChatGPT will provide the animation prompts for every single scene. Each animation is specifically designed for a 5-second duration, giving your story that perfect cinematic flow. Now, copy the first animation prompt and open Grok AI. In the Image section, click the Image button, then switch to the Video option. Click it again to set your aspect ratio to 16:9 and select your desired video resolution. Next, click the clip icon on the left, select Upload Files, and upload your first generated image. Paste your animation prompt and click Make a Video. Grok will start rendering your clip. While you wait, you can always jump back to Whisk AI to verify your image and scene sequence. Once your video is ready, click the 3 dots, select Upscale to boost the quality, and then download your final clip. Now let's do it again for the second scene. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, return to Grok's Imaging section, click the pin icon to upload your second image, paste the second animation prompt, and hit Make a Video. Just like before, once it's finished, upscale it and hit Download. Once you've generated all your scene animations in sequence, it's time to bring them to life in your video editor. I personally prefer CapCut PC. Open it up and upload all your clips onto the timeline. Next, we need to add smooth transitions between every scene. Go to the Transition section and choose one that fits the Ghibli vibe. I really like this one, so I'll just drag and drop it between the first and second clips.
You can repeat this manually or simply click Apply to All to save time. When your transitions are set, select all your clips and go to the Audio section. Increase the volume across the board because this is crucial because it brings out those immersive ASMR details we discussed earlier. You can also add soft background music if you like, but for this project, I'm keeping it pure. Finally, hit the Export button and your masterpiece is ready to go.
To wrap things up, I've provided another prompt in the description. Simply copy it and paste it into the same ChatGPT thread you've been using. ChatGPT will then generate SEO-optimized titles, tags, and a full description tailored for your video. But we're not done yet. It will also provide a specific YouTube thumbnail prompt. Copy that prompt, head back to Whisk AI and hit Generate. Choose the image that stands out the most and download it. If you feel the thumbnail needs more work, just ask ChatGPT for a more professional version in the same chat and it will give you fresh prompts to try and Whisk. For that final professional touch, you can take your favorite image into Canva and add your text overlays.
Now, pay attention to these crucial points. In the master prompt I've designed, I have set it to generate 20 images. When you use Grok for generation, each image yields about 6 seconds of video. Doing the math, 20 images multiplied by 6 seconds gives you exactly 120 seconds, which is a 2-minute video. If you need a longer video, simply change the count from 20 to 40. This will double your runtime to 4 minutes. I've optimized these settings specifically for Grok because we know it typically produces 5 to 6 second clips. However, if you have access to VO3, whether through a pro plan or a student account, you should change the setting from 5 seconds to 8 seconds. This allows each image to generate 8 seconds of footage. You can easily adjust this based on your specific requirements. So, what did you think of the video? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.